I'm just delivering it.
That's what every suspect says. Turn around. Let me sniff your pockets.
How do I look today?
Strong body, weak decisions.
Hey!
Sir, your confidence is heavier than your weight.
Unexpected item in the bagging area.
I am the item! Respect me!
Please remove item.
Remove yourself! I'm the customer!
Sir, do you know why I pulled you over?
Yes. Because I'm fabulous and you got jealous.
You were going 90.
That's not speed. That's escaping my problems.
Where does it hurt?
Everywhere. Look at my bank account.
Your bank account?
It's everywhere. I'm here for emotional